On guys, my name is Saug. I'm not a financial advisor, not a professional trader, not here to really educate you guys about how to trade. I'm just here to make this quick little video. Not quick, but I'm just back testing your NQ futures, going over this new strategy that I learned called the inverse fair value gap, and I'm just doing it for my own learning purpose. Not here to teach anyone to how to trade and stuff like that, because I'm not a professional. So if there's any mistakes that I'm making, please let me know. And then we can go ahead and talk about it and see how I can get better at it. Okay, so I'm on the platform called Thinkorswim right now, just because of this on-demand mode that they have, which is really great. I really like it. It looks like a live trade. So all I have to do is just hit this play button, and then it will go on for you for play. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about exactly what I'm seeing here on the hourly chart. First of all, always starting with the higher time frame analysis. We have a buy side liquidity there, sell side liquidity right here, right? We have a fair value gap right here that got disrespected. As you can see, this plunged to it. We have another fair value gap right inside of this fair value gap that also got respected, right? So this is the bearish fair value gap. This is the bullish fair value gap, right? Let me go ahead and, can I write it? No, I can't. Okay. So this is bearish, this is bullish, and this one got respected. So I'm looking for a long opportunity, maybe until like these highs here, right? And then if I go to the hourly time frame, zoom in here, what do we see here? It looks like these, well, these highs. It looks like there was another fair value gap right here that got respected on the hourly time frame. And yeah, I think we might be heading up into these highs, but there is another hourly fair value gap right here. So there's a high chance that it could get, this one could get respected and then come back down, right? So my drawn liquidity for this trade would be right here. For this day would be right here. And then if this gets disrespected, then we'll probably head to this highs, and then we'll head to this high here. So right now I am bullish just because this fair value gap got respected, and this is like right nearby this. So I think we're gonna head into these highs. So go to the 50-minute time frame now. On the 50-minute time frame, what do we have here? We have a low right here. We have these sell side liquidity that got swept, right? So this is sell side liquidity that got swept, and there was a fair value gap right here that got disrespected with the high momentum here, and that means it's a bullish price action, right? Because this fair value gap got disrespected, so that was inverse. I'm actually gonna play this just so that it moves while I talk. So, and there's another bullish fair value gap right here. I want to see if this gets respected or not. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so first of all, what do we have here, right? So if I go on the 1-minute time frame, price is there's a bullish fair value gap right here, right? I'm sorry, the bearish fair value gap right here, right? So I want to see if these will get respected or not. But the 50-minute has not closed just yet, right? If this closes below this fair value gap, I'm not gonna enter this trade. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna look for these fair value gap to get disrespected, and then look for an entry at a retest. Okay. So let's see if, okay, so 50 minutes is about to close in about 2 minutes. So let's see what would happen here. So nothing yet, just now. Let's see here. So 50 minutes about to close. All right, so I'm gonna start off with one contract, and then I'm gonna add more as it maybe I'll probably scale in as it goes up. All right, so fair value gap right here did not get disrespected because the this 50-minute did not close below this, so we are still bullish. we're still looking for longs, right? So I want to see if this 1 minute will close above this. If it does, I'll take my entry for a long. And if we do enter, these will be my first profit target. Why isn't it working well? Oops. Okay, this is kind of tough too. There we go. My TP1, right? Oh, why isn't it showing the name? On the right. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see if this 1 minute will close above this fair value gap or not. And again, this is called the inverse model. So, okay, it did close. Now I want to see if it will come retest or not. Usually what I do is I enter right at this close of the next candle, and then I add more as it comes down. But since the lows are here, this is going to be a little bit of a higher risk trade. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a retest of this order block right here. Or even these order block, but I don't know. Let's see. I think I'm gonna wait for these order block to get retest. Yeah, this one here. Let's forward this. Fast forward, I mean. It's coming back into that. Let's see. Boom. Okay, so it came right into that. I'm gonna take an entry here. How do I do auto send? Right. Okay. What? Take an entry there. Stop loss are below these lows here, right? It's a little bit of a higher risk stop loss. Let's see how many points that is. Holy crap. That is actually, no, that's actually, it's only 5 points, so it's not that bad, guys. All right, it's not that bad. So stop loss right below these lows. I'm gonna put a red for the stop loss. All right. Stop loss, red. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. If this fair value gap gets disrespected, I'm gonna add more to this trade. So stop loss is right here, and I'm gonna let it play out. I think I might average in, let's see, average down here to this order block. Again, my stop loss will remain the same down here. So right now I'm in 2 contracts, 2 longs. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 profit here because I'm in 2 now. Take 1 profit here, TP1, and then move my stop loss to break even. There's one right there. So again, I got one in here at this order block retest, and then I got another one at this order block retest. I'm gonna take that off if it touches this. Oh freak! What happened there? Oh my god! Oh my god! My chart is getting. Alright. Alright. Let's see. It's trying to go for that, guys. 15 minutes looks pretty good so far. This order block is getting, not order block, fair value gap is getting respected. So I'm gonna go ahead and I might take one off there. Still in the trade, guys. So I could have, honestly, I could have moved my stop loss to break even because this high got taken out, but I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, this fair value gap is getting respected here. So we are Gucci gang at this point. But if it does close below this, I think I might actually get out this trade. If it closes below this fair value gap, I think I'm gonna get out. Alright, it's going up. Get ready to sell. We are currently up $225. Actually, $200. Boom, hit. I'm gonna sell one there. Alright, move my stop. Actually, no. Yeah, move my stop loss to break even. I think break even will be like somewhere here. If this gets taken out, this fair value gets taken out, I'm gonna add more. And then my profit target would be like these highs. TP1, TP2. I mean, if I do enter one, because I only have one right now. Stop loss break even. So even if it goes down to my stop loss, I'm still gonna be in profit just because I already took a profit there. Let's see if this gets disrespected or not. Boom. Oh, let's see if it closes above. We got 30 seconds left. Time is right here if you are not looking at it. If it does go extend all the way up here, I might wait for a retest. Let's see if it retests or not. Retest, maybe you'll retest this order block right here. This order block. If not, then I'll probably just not enter, to be honest. There we go, enter one right there. Stop loss, it's still here. I'm gonna move it to break even. I don't know where the break even would be, because it's not showing here. Because when you scale in, when you like average up, your entry will average entry will goes up. So I'm not sure where the new stop loss is or where the break even is. So for this reason, I'm just gonna move it right here. And like I said, my profit target is here for one of them. So currently I'm in 2 trades right now. Two longs right now. So once this hits, I'm gonna get out of one of them, and then I'm gonna leave one runner, possibly. Oh, well, okay, it's going, guys. And you probably think that, hey, you already backtested this session. No, I chose a complete date to back test, and it's not market has not been open yet. It's pre-market right now. So some of you might be wondering, hey, why did you even get in after taking a profit here? Because even if I enter here, my fill was like right here, right? So my average fill would probably be somewhere, I don't know where, but it will be high somewhere here, right? Pretty much what I did was I took one of my profit here, and I'm holding one runner until this fair value gap, right? But I am I still have that in the other one at break even. So if let's see here, um, so I'm gonna leave it at break even and just let it run. Do here. So just let it run until break even. Oh, actually, it'll tell me where the break even is now. So as soon as this hits 0, I'm gonna be out. If this open PNL hits 0, I'm gonna be out. There we go. Out, break even. We made around $400 in this trade. So let me recap here. So pretty much what happened was I looked at the higher time frame and I saw that 4-hour time frame had a fair value gap that got disrespected, inverse, right? Inside of that fair value gap, we had a bullish fair value gap that got respected. And if we go on the hourly time frame, we had these highs here as my draw on liquidity, and this one here, the hourly fair value gap as my draw on liquidity. So, and then the other thing that I saw was this hourly fair value gap that got respected, plus a sell side liquidity that got swept in the 15-minute time frame, right? And then we created this bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame that got respected right here. As you can see, like I said earlier, if this had closed below this, I would have not taken this trade, but it did not close below that, so that's good. And then I saw this 1 minute fair value gap that got disrespected huge with the huge candle. Waited for this price to come into this order block right here. Took an entry right here, and then took my second entry at this second retest of this second order block. And I had two contracts. I closed one of them here at this high, and then I moved my stop loss to. Did I move my stop loss to break even? I think I did. I think I did move my stop loss to break even. And then another fair value gap right here on the 1 minute that got disrespected, and then I took my another entry right here with stop loss at break even. Took that profit right here with the stop loss at break even, and then stop loss at break even hit right at this candle. So that is the trade, guys. So yeah, so I hope this was something I guess valuable for some of y'all if you are watching this backtest. And like I said, I'm not a professional trader or not here to educate. This is for my solely practice purposes. So if there's anything that I mess up on, please let me know. See ya.